Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok message not sending. As you can see, if I send a message, then this is showing error. This kind of error occurred due to many reasons. One of the reason is you are not following that person. If you are following the person and still having the error, then I will tell you how you can fix that error. First of all, what you have to do is you have to close the TikTok. After closing the TikTok, you have to check whether your internet connection working properly or not, which means you have to check whether your Wi-Fi is connected and working properly. You can turn it on and off to restart your connection. After doing so, you can click on settings. After clicking on settings, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to click on apps. In apps, you have to search for TikTok. After clicking on app management, here you have to search for TikTok. As you can see, after searching TikTok, you have to open that. After opening TikTok, what you have to do is you have to click on data usage and check it is turned on or off. If it is turned off, then you have to turn it on. Moreover, you can clear the cache of your app. After clearing the cache, you can check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there and has not solved, then the last solution is as that you have to again open the TikTok. As you can see, after you have to you have to click on profile. After clicking on profile, you have to click on three lines. After clicking all three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to click on report a problem. And here you have to report what is the problem you are facing. Here you have to explain what is the problem you are facing. You can select the topic, like you are facing the problem of direct message. You can click on that. After that, you can click on unable to send direct message, so that TikTok can understand that you are facing the problem of unable to send message. They are providing the solution. If this doesn't work for you, then you can click on no and you can explain that problem by clicking on need more help. Here you can explain the TikTok team what is the problem to you regarding direct message, and you can also attach a screenshot of the problem. After mentioning all the things, you can click on submit and your problem will be submitted to TikTok team, and within few days they will solve your problem as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video.